Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to enable 4K or high quality uploading on X for better video quality. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for X. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once updated, open the X app. Then tap on your profile in the top left corner of the screen. Go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Accessibility. After that, tap on Data Usage. Here you will see the option for high-quality uploads. Simply tap on it and select Cellular or Wi-Fi. You can also enable the same option for images and videos in the section below. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.